So you want anchor links, auto scroll links that work like this. I click Instagram, I scroll down and land on Instagram. I'll show you exactly how to do that. I'm going to edit a different post, so we're going to switch. So I have this post here, and I have one link here which is not linked up for fonts. If I scroll down to that area, there's a font section here I need to auto scroll to. Now the way I set that up is I can either click on the font title itself, and I can come down to advanced and put a name in the HTML anchor. But for this particular one, I'm going to click on the image, because I can do this on any block in WordPress. It can be text, image, header, doesn't matter. And under advanced, I choose HTML anchor and I put in font or whatever I want to call it. I try to keep it no spaces. I try to keep it all letters just to make sure it's safe. And I just put that in there and I go back up the top to my link. So I remember the name font, go back up to my link, highlight my link, click the link button, and I type in hash font and then enter. When I'm done, I update and I test out my addition by viewing the post. Now when I scroll down and click fonts, it auto scrolls down to this image and I can start looking at fonts. So that's essentially a very quick guide on how to create HTML anchor link in WordPress in your blog posts. So pretty easy to do. If you have any other questions about WordPress, leave a comment below. Otherwise, hope to see you again soon. Have a great day.